Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's January 1, around 2 p.m. here in Barugo, Leyte. So, simple update lang kita na. Since holiday man, may chance kita maglibot-libot. Check lang kita natin. Minamahal na Barugo. May day ka kita aton left. Pare-peto ka open kay. Still ongoing pa man kuan kanal laging ayan. So mauran talaga for since Christmas pa. Yan na, di na grabe pero still yapon trahitig yapon. Hopefully nagpakasimba ka mo yan ang New Year. So yung bawa kanya 5:30 AM kay last night 9 PM nakuan naman ako pipiraw and then huhuman around mga 12 almost 12 AM, so at least on 5:30 it's about an hour masla. So ano kita real yan na yan aton left side hindi mo na talagang establishment ni ubos, unlike before wala talaga ito yung bakante oray para mga establishment. Still nagyabor naton panadero slash water station and this for pharmacy and Angeli Pharmacy na. May dadat kita ka ni Daika on left side still. Hindi makakalimot. Ito pinaka-controversial. Ano ini? Traffic light. Meeting the red light. 7-Eleven at the right side. Police station at the left side. Andox forward. Tubangan natin Andox pilit. So naton kanya na okay to terminal ni na yan ni dapat may Andox instead previous that to may core gym natin right side. Ongoing building to Ferrer Barugo to Central School. But if you happen to encounter Ferrer Central School, ito previous ito na name ang Barugo to Central School, which is mga OG lang mga OG, mga lagal takba, mga OG alumni nagpaka school ito. Still, pag-graduate ko Barugo to naman, ada akong diploma. Kali kita right hindi natin social hall alright pa ka i-aircon unlike like aton gym air coated na sa ring paman. It's Jabi aton right side. Which is the only private institution, private school here in Barugo, or placed LI. LI sarado naman. So may naging buhatan na mga sisters mag-create run school. Grabe, after talaga mas kanina kumaturog ako. Mata ko 11 a.m. and then kaon. And then ang sarang bubuhat. Lumibot ako. Libot laanay. Maray man trabahoon pa. Unlike bukas, bakbakan na. Kita aton. Kita aton terminal. Aton Barug Integrated Terminal. Which is a private parking area for manulupyohan kor sa Barugo. Pero actually, ano na kanilingan ni ano ito? Taong pwede mo himuhan ni like Boulevard, Orion. Okay ito, Gargara. Wala akong pwede activities sa buhat ka ni. If you could just use our imagination. Charot! Atong wet market. Barugo Public Wet Market. Warais na yan na. Yan agad karni. Ako tala. Calling roster amo lang open. Ayan na kita. Try kita District 5. So it's January 1. Hello 2025. So next time ulit kung bakante lang ako, malibot kita. Hopefully damo ng tao dalan. Yan na, mga hultok pa da. Yan, bad weather kasi lat yan na. O pa i-cuddle ha. Cuddle, good town. Anyways, see you on my next one, or see you on my next video. Bye everyone.